What's up, you guys? So the other day I bought this adapter on Amazon. It supports CarPlay and Android Auto. So this makes it possible to have wireless Apple CarPlay on your car. So the reason why I bought it is because I travel a lot. So I drive a lot of rental cars when I'm traveling. For the most part, the rental cars do have CarPlay and some do have the option for wireless CarPlay. But most, you need to have the phone wired, be able to use the Apple CarPlay on the car. So with this adapter, how it works is you just plug in this adapter to the USB port on the car and then connect your phone through Bluetooth, and right away it should enable wireless CarPlay. So we're gonna test this out in this video and see if it works, because if it does work, that is awesome. So the caveat is you're not able to charge your phone while you're using this adapter dongle like you would if you connected your phone to the USB port to use CarPlay. So for the wireless CarPlay adapter, the brand is Fintaps. So you can find it on Amazon. I'll be providing the link down in the description below, so you guys could get that USB dongle and be able to use CarPlay wirelessly. So this is the front of the box and this is the back of the box. We're gonna unbox it right now. Out of the box, this is the USB dongle for the wireless CarPlay. And that also comes with a USB-C adapter that you can plug in. So right now I'm inside the rental car. We're gonna test out the dongle and see if wireless CarPlay works. There's nothing connected to the USB port. And it says there is no Apple CarPlay device connected. So we're gonna test that out right now. And I'll be using the Pitaka wireless charger, the car adapter that supports fast charging. I'm gonna connect this right now to the USB port. So it lights up and then you get this screen. Sorry, we're gonna hit yes. We're gonna hit OK. On my iPhone, I have the device here, the smart box. We're gonna click on it to connect. And we're gonna pair it. And then we're gonna put connect to CarPlay. And then we're gonna go Apple CarPlay and see it works. And right now I'm charging my phone with a Pitaka charger. So I turn off the car and I'm gonna turn it on and see if we can connect to the CarPlay wirelessly. And right away it connects to it. There is no delay. While using this adapter, I've noticed also that the dongle kind of blocks the USB-C port here. You need to buy the 12-volt car adapter. For this instance, I have the Pitaka fast charger. So it just charges your phone. So now you have truly everything wireless and charging your phone at the same time. But now I'm gonna see if connecting the USB-C adapter to the dongle works also. Installing the dongle to the USB-C port here. Guess I have to connect to Bluetooth. So it connects right away using the adapter. Turn it off. Turn on the car again. It works for both the dongle and the dongle with the adapter. Your car needs to have, by default from factory, needs to have Apple CarPlay installed. Like I don't have Android, so I can't really test out the Android Auto. So I only have an iPhone, so my review is more focused on the Apple CarPlay. It works seamlessly, it's easy to install, you don't need to do much. Links are down in the description for this USB dongle by Fintaps. Go check them out.